The nylon factory Leatherman holsters don't exactly have the best reputation for being durable. Ours are made from full grain leathers with a nice strong spring steel holster clip. Our adjustable snap offers a full inch of vertical adjustment to suit a variety of multi-tools. This is a very handy feature, just make sure that you do up that screw nice and tight. The regular size pouch suits the smaller Leatherman models such as the Wave, Signal and Wingman, while the larger pouch suits the larger models such as the OHT, Surge and Mutt. And here we have the rescue shears, which are popular with paramedics and law enforcement.